In this video, I will show how to link your text to email in Microsoft Word. So very simple and easy way. Select your text, then insert, click on link, create a link in your document for quick access to web pages and files. Hyperlinks can also take you to places in your document such as headings and bookmarks. So just click on link. Here select email address, type email, subject, then click on OK. Now your text will change into color. Now press Ctrl and click on this text. Now press Ctrl and click on this text. So it will redirect to your particular email address. Thanks for watching.